Martin Storey. I'm here with Kate Buller, and welcome to my Afghan knit-along project using pure wool worsted yarn. This is week 6, and our week 6 square is the Little Doughnut square, where we're introducing a bit of cabling.
How did you come up with the names of the stitches? Are they from a library or are they your own?
Well, actually they're my own, yes. I think the actual texture of the squares always suggests a name, and in this particular square I thought the little circles created by the cable looked like little donuts, so that's why I called it Little Doughnut square.
Oh, that gives it a personality.
It does, yes. Some of the previous squares, like the Nordic Star, is actually based more on a traditional name that I found in a vintage knitting pattern book I have. But most of the names for this project are actually ones that I've come up with, like the Little Lace Kisses and the Garter Waves.
And I know, Martin, you're quite a collector of vintage items. How did you come up with the colours for this? Was it anything that you'd collected? Or?
Exactly that, yes. I have a few sort of vintage quilts in my collection which I've picked up at places like Portobello Market in London. And the colours for this particular Afghan were inspired by an American quilt that I bought many years ago, which is sort of quite faded and in need of some repair, but the colours are still fantastic, and that's what gave me the inspiration.
Oh, it's going to be great to see how you actually patch these colours together.
Yes, I'm quite excited to see, yes.
And so we're going to learn how to knit cable, and are we going to do that by chart or by instruction?
Both, actually. We've got a chart, which I've got an example of here, which shows you where to place the stitches, or it will also be a written pattern row by row. And
for this cable, it's only a small cable. Do you need to use a cable needle, or?
Yes, I would recommend for a beginner to use a cable needle. I mean, there are techniques which you can there's tutorials which show techniques that you don't have to use a cable, but these can be found also on our video tutorials on knitrome.com.
And a cable needle is basically a very short needle with 2 points.
That's right, it's a double pointed needle which you just slip the stitches that you need to cable onto and leave at the front or the back of the work. And
what colours are you going to knit this in, Martin?
This is the first colour Almond 103 and Apple 129, which is a nice green, soft green.
Nice contrast.
Yes. So hopefully it'll mix in very nicely with the other colours of the 30 squares you just should have knitted.
Thanks. Let's get knitting again.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you.